Hello everyone! How are you today? Welcome to the class. Do you have any questions about last session? Do you remember to which part we listened to the story? Yeah, great! Okay, tell me, where did the story take place? Remember? Yeah, the friends were sitting in a pub. Excellent, very good. And what were they talking about? They were talking about their adventures. Excellent, very good. Do you remember anything about Phil? Who was Phil? He was an author. Excellent, very good, very good. What kind of person is Phil? Is he a courageous one or is he timid? He's a little bit timid. Excellent, very good. Does he have enough self-confidence? No. Yeah, he's not. Very good. He's not self-confident. Excellent, very good. And do you remember what happened at the end of last chapter? What did Phil decide to do? He decided to have an adventure. Excellent, very good. Okay, as you got today, we're going to talk about the adventure Phil is going to take. Class, tell me, what do you think an adventure is? Why do you think it's good to experience? Have you had an adventure in your life? When was the last time you had an adventure? Would you like to experience it again? Do you recommend your friends to experience it? Now, please, I want you to take a look at the title of this session, The Adventure of Phil, and listen to the audio I play for you. Try to listen carefully and get the general idea about the adventure and what Phil is going to do. Thank you, class. Now tell me, what did you get out of the story? What is Phil's adventure? Where is he traveling to? What's he going to do? Why do you think Phil accepted this challenge? What was the reason? Did he like to show off in front of his friends? Or no, he wanted to experience something new? Do you think Phil can do this challenge? Do you think he'll be successful? Okay, I want you to take your time for 10 minutes and talk with your partners about the ending that you think the story will have. Thank you very much, class. What do you think about it? Do you think Phil will make it? Do you think he'll be successful? Or no, he will lose the challenge? Yeah? You think he'll try to? You think he won't succeed? Why? Why do you think he won't succeed? At least he's trying to. Maybe he's not self-confident enough? Great, great. He's not a risk taker. Excellent. He's not risk taker. Are you a risk taker person? Do you like to take risks? Good for you. Thank you very much, class. Now please listen again and try to get the answers to these 3 questions. What's Phil going to take with him? When is he going to leave? And when will he come back? Ready? Let's go. Alright, class, ready to talk about it? Great job. What do you think he's going to take with him? Some water. Excellent. Very good. What else? Is he going to take his camera? He is. Very good. Very good. He's going to take his camera. Excellent. Yeah? How about some money? Is he going to take some money with him? You got it? Yeah? He's going to take some cash. Excellent. Very good. How about his laptop? He's writing stuff because he's an author, right? He's going to take his laptop. Very good. Excellent. Is he going to take his mother too? No, he's not. Excellent. Good job. Is he going alone? Yeah, he decided to go alone. Yeah, but we have to listen to the rest of the story to see who his companion is. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's shift to question 2. When is he going to leave? He's going to leave in 5 days. Excellent, very good. Can you give me the date? January 20th. Excellent, very good. Good job. How about question 3? When will he come back? He'll come back in 80 days. Excellent, very good. The challenge is going to last for 80 days. Very good. Thank you very much, class. Now, class, I want you to get into groups of 3 and talk about the answer to this question. What would you do if you were in Phil's shoes? First say, would you accept this challenge? Then say, if you were in Phil's shoes, what would you do? What would you take with you? Who would you talk to before you start this journey? Take your time for 10 minutes and then we'll discuss in the class. Thank you very much, class. Which group is going to start talking? Okay, let's listen to your friends in this group and try to take notes of what they're saying. Alright, group 1, what would you do if you were in Phil's shoes? You decided not to accept this challenge? Oh, why? You think it's too risky? Great, great. Yeah, you tried to have some experience before starting this journey. That's awesome. You know, experience is really important when you want to do something risky. Excellent, good point. Now let's listen to group 2. What's your idea? You would accept this challenge? Excellent. You would ask your father to accompany you? That's great. Why your father? He knows well how to say. That's great. When you have someone that is professional, he will help you a lot. Excellent. Very good. So they decided to have a companion. Good job. Thank you very much, class. Now we want to have a free discussion about accepting challenges. Take your time for 10 minutes and talk with your partner about the things you have to consider when you want to accept a challenge. What are the important criteria you have to take into consideration? We'll talk together after 10 minutes. All right, class. Thank you for your time. Here I have some question cards. Try to take one, read the question, ask one of your friends, and wait for his answer. Ready? Thank you very much. For next session, please record a video and talk about an imaginative life adventure that you've always wanted to experience. Talk about this topic for at least 3 minutes. Next session, we will discuss about it. Thank you very much for having this class with me. See you around.